Hello everyone, my name is Liam. Welcome to this voice and leadership training session. Today is not about speaking fast, and it is not about sounding perfect. Today is about learning how to use your voice to lead, to guide, and to connect with people.
Hello, I'm Jessica. We are very happy to train with you today. This training is designed to be practiced again and again. You can use it every morning, before school, before a presentation, or before speaking in front of people. Please relax, take your time, and trust the process.
Before people listen to your words, they listen to your voice. Before they understand your message, they feel your energy. Your voice tells people whether you are calm or nervous, confident or unsure, ready to lead or not yet ready. Many people try to lead by talking more, but real leaders speak less and speak better.
A strong voice does not push, it invites. A good host does not rush. They create space for people to listen and feel safe. That is why we always start with the voice.
Because when you control your voice, you control your presence. And to control your voice, we begin with the foundation of all speaking, your breath.
Step 1. Breath and body preparation. Please sit or stand straight. Let your spine grow tall. Relax your shoulders. Release tension in your neck, your jaw, and your face. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your chest and belly expand. Hold gently. Do not force it. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your body soften.
This breathing tells your body, I am safe. I am ready. I am in control. Repeat until you feel calm and steady. When your breath calms, your body follows. When your body relaxes, your voice becomes stable. A stable voice does not rush. It feels grounded. Now we work with the voice itself.
Step 2. Voice warm-up and resonance. We warm the voice to make it natural, warm, and comfortable. Gently hum with me. Do not push the sound. Let it flow. Feel the vibration in your chest, not in your throat.
This vibration creates a deep, warm tone. A voice like this feels trustworthy. Practice this hum every day. It prepares your voice for confident speaking. Now your voice is awake. Next, we train clear sounds.
Step 3. Clear sounds. Open your mouth naturally. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. Pa, pe, pee, po, poo, ta, te, ti, to, tu, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Do not rush.
Clarity is more important than speed. Clear sounds build trust and help people focus. Now we move to pronunciation skills. Step 4. Daily training for clear, confident English pronunciation workflow. Now we enter one of the most important parts of your training. Pronunciation is not about accents. It is about respect for your listener. When people understand you easily, they trust you more. They follow you more. They feel calm listening to you. We will train pronunciation in 5 clear layers. You will practice them in this order every day. Do not skip steps. Each step builds power for the next one.
Part 1. Final sounds. English words do not fade away at the end. They finish. When you drop final sounds, your message sounds weak or unclear. We practice finishing words clearly, calmly, and with control. Repeat slowly. Talk. Need. Want. Plan. Now again, with confidence. Talk. need, want, plan. Finish the word. Do not add extra sound. Do not rush. Finish strong, not loud. A leader finishes their words. A host finishes their sentences.
Now place these words into short sentences. Repeat after me. I want to talk. We need a plan. I want results. This is our plan. Notice how the ending gives structure. The listener feels safe because the message is complete. Practice final sounds every day. They are the backbone of clear English.
Part 2. Word stress. English is a stress-based language. Not every word is equal. Some words carry meaning. Some words support meaning. Your job is to highlight what matters. Listen carefully. We need a plan for today. The stress tells the listener where to focus. Repeat slowly. We need a plan for today. Now again, calmly and confidently. We need a plan for today.
Now try these examples. I want progress. This is important. We will succeed. Feel the strength in the stressed word. Stress is not shouting. Stress is clarity. When you stress correctly, people understand you faster and trust your leadership.
Part 3. Sentence rhythm. English is not flat. It moves. Good speakers sound like music, not machines. We speak in thought groups. Listen. Today, we will talk about smart choices. The pause gives meaning. The rhythm gives confidence. Repeat with rhythm. Today, we will talk about smart choices.
Now practice these. In this session, we focus on clarity. As a leader, your voice guides others. Let your voice rise and fall naturally. Let your message breathe. Rhythm helps listeners relax. Relaxed listeners pay attention.
Part 4. Linking sounds. In natural English, words connect. We do not speak word by word. Now, place them in sentences. It's kind of interesting. I want to improve. Feel how the sound flows. No hard stops. No tension. Linking sounds makes your English sound natural, friendly, and confident. This is how hosts sound welcoming. This is how leaders sound relaxed. Part 5. Vowel clarity. Vowels change meaning. One small sound can change everything. Listen carefully. Ship, sheep. Sit, seat. Full, fool. Repeat slowly. Ship, sheep. Sit, seat. Full, fool. Now use them in sentences. This ship is ready. I see a sheep. Please sit here. Take a seat. The glass is full. Do not be a fool. Clear vowels prevent confusion. Clear vowels save time. Clear vowels show professionalism. This completes your pronunciation workflow. Final sounds give strength. Word stress gives meaning. Rhythm gives flow. Linking gives natural speech. Vowels give clarity. Practice this section daily, slowly, calmly, with intention.
Your voice is a tool. Your pronunciation is precision. When both work together, you sound trustworthy, confident, and ready to lead.
Step 5. Leadership tone. Leadership does not come from volume. It comes from steadiness. A leader does not push the voice forward. They let the voice stand firm. A leader finishes sentences clearly. They do not lift the voice at the end. They do not sound unsure. Practice with intention. We will move forward together. I am confident in this decision. Feel the calm certainty in these sentences.
This is leadership tone. Not loud, not fast, not emotional. Clear, stable, grounded. When people hear this tone, they feel safe to follow.
Step 6. Calm delivery. Now we bring leadership tone into delivery. Speak slowly. Allow space between sentences. Good morning, everyone. Pause. Please listen carefully. Pause. Let's begin. Your pauses are part of your authority.
A calm delivery tells people you are in control of time. Practice these sentences gently. Take your time. Thank you for your attention. Do not rush them. Let the calm live in your voice.
Step 7. Presence. Voice alone is not enough. Presence completes the message. Stand tall. Let your shoulders relax. Soften your face. Your body supports your voice. Make eye contact. Not to control, but to connect.
As a host, you welcome with warmth. Welcome, everyone. We're happy you're here. As a leader, you guide with direction. Today, we learn and grow together. Your presence tells people this moment matters.
Breath, voice, sounds, words, tone, presence. This is not a performance. This is a practice. Leadership is built through small, daily habits.
Use this training as your daily ritual. Practice it in the morning, before school, before meetings, before speaking in front of others. And remember, what you practice today is the foundation.
When you are ready to go deeper, we will return to the details. The 44 core sounds, advanced sound combinations, challenging clusters and endings. This is where pronunciation becomes mastery.
This is where learners become professionals and speakers become trainers. We look forward to guiding you in the advanced pronunciation journey ahead.
Thank you for training with us today. Trust your voice. Trust your growth. We will see you again in the next deep training session.